What if your road trip rig could haul like a truck, live like a motorhome, and still turn heads at the campsite? Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today we're looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome Camper Truck, a bold fusion of heavy-duty pickup capability and full-on RV comfort. Chevy's aiming this at adventurers who want one vehicle to do it all, and after spending some time with it, we can see why it's getting so much buzz. Design. On the outside, the camper truck blends Chevrolet's Silverado HD design language with a seamlessly integrated camper body. The front end is bold and muscular, while the rear module features clean aerodynamic lines and composite panels to keep weight down. Large panoramic windows flood the interior with light, and the side entry door is wide and sturdy for easy access. Ground clearance is generous, giving it a confident stance on and off-road. Performance. Under the hood, you can choose between a 6.6L V8 gas engine or the Duramax turbodiesel, both paired with a 10-speed automatic. Towing capacity? Up to 12,000 pounds even with the camper installed, thanks to reinforced chassis engineering. Four-wheel drive is standard, and adaptive suspension automatically adjusts for load and terrain, keeping the ride smooth whether you're on the interstate or a gravel trail. Features and technology. Inside, you'll find a surprisingly spacious living area with a convertible queen bed, kitchenette, wet bath, and clever storage solutions. The tech package includes a 12.3-inch infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a dedicated camper control screen for climate, lighting, and tank levels. Solar panels feed a lithium battery bank, giving you days of off-grid capability. Conclusion. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome Camper Truck is for travelers who want freedom without compromise, capable on the highway, functional at camp, and stylish everywhere in between. What do you think? Would this replace your current RV or pickup? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, share this video with your fellow adventurers, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth looks at the latest rides and gear.